Top 10 Best Smartphones of all of 2021.
Number 10, the iPhone 11 at $699. For a very reasonable $699, the iPhone 11 offers amazingly good low-light photos via its night mode. And there's a new ultra-wide lens that lets you fit in more subjects or scene with its 120-degree field of view. Selfies get a serious upgrade, too, with a 12MP camera that automatically switches to a wider view when you turn the phone to landscape mode. The 6.1-inch LCD on the iPhone 11 isn't old great, like what you get from the newer iPhone 12, but it's colorful and bright. A blazing A13 Bionic processor, long battery life, and your choice of 6 colors solidify the iPhone 11 as a winner. It's also an even better deal now that the iPhone 12 is out, as Apple will continue to offer the iPhone 11 for $100 less than before, meaning it now starts at just $599. Number 9, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE at $699. You no longer have to pay $1,000 or more to get the best benefits of Samsung's Galaxy S20 lineup. The $699 Samsung Galaxy S20 FE retains the best features of Samsung's flagships, with only minor compromises, making this one of the best phones for the money. That's especially true if you can get the S20 FE for a discount off its usual price now that the S21 models are available. The Galaxy S20 FE delivers a big 6.5-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, 5G connectivity, and a speedy Snapdragon 865 processor. We really like the triple camera system on this phone, which includes a powerful 3x optical zoom and impressive 30x space zoom. You'll have to settle for a plastic back instead of glass, and a slower charger than the regular Galaxy S20, but these trade-offs are worth it. This is the Galaxy S20 model to get if you want high-end features, but not the high price of most other flagships. Number 8, the Google Pixel 4a at $349. What makes the Google Pixel 4a so special is that it offers almost everything you desire in a smartphone for just $349. And it's remarkably compelling for that price. Google's mid-range offering contains a gorgeous 5.8-inch OLED screen, solid power from a Snapdragon 730 grams chipset, clever software features like Call Screen and Google's Handy Recorder Live Transcription app, and, of course, that marvel of a 12-megapixel camera, which includes perks like night sight and super res zoom. The only area where the Pixel 4a lags behind the competition is with respect to battery life. Even with the power pack significantly bigger than the iPhone SE's, it still doesn't last quite as long on a charge. It also can't match Apple's $399 iPhone where performance is concerned. But in practically every other way, Google's Baby Pixel is a fantastically well-rounded handset that everyone who is looking for a cheap phone should consider, with the best photography for the money. A successor, the Pixel 5a, is reportedly coming in the first half of this year, so plan your upgrade accordingly. Number 7, the Samsung Galaxy S21 at $799. The Galaxy S21 makes some trade-offs for its $799 price tag. You won't find the charger in the box or a microSD card slot, and the back is plastic instead of glass. But this Samsung phone makes up for those shortcomings with strong performance from its Snapdragon 888 chip, a larger fingerprint sensor for easier unlocking, and fun features like Single Take 2.0 for capturing photos. Number 6, the iPhone 12 at $829. The iPhone 12 takes much of what makes the iPhone 12 Pro great, the blistering quick 5nm A14 Bionic chip. Same impressive 7-element main camera and 5G connectivity, and places it in a more affordable package. Not everyone may need the above and beyond material design and photo and video capturing capability of the iPhone 12 Pro, but the regular iPhone 12 is the best new iPhone all around for most buyers. Much of that has to do with how Apple improved the basics here. The iPhone 12 has a new OLED display that far outpaces the blurry, low-resolution LCD panel in last year's iPhone 11. And the iPhone 12 single-quote-S new design sports an elegant flat-edge motif and narrower bezels, further shaving down the handset's footprint to maximize screen real estate. We also like Apple's new MagSafe initiative, which unlocks new potential for accessories and makes for faster and more convenient wireless charging than iPhones of the past. Of course, we wish Apple shipped the charging adapter in box with this phone, and increased base storage to 128 GB. But those annoyances aside, the iPhone 12 is an all-around excellent device that delights any iPhone user. Number 5, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra at $1,000. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is pricey at $1,299, but no other big screen phone can do as much as this phablet. You get a gorgeous 6.9-inch OLED display with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, as well as lots of new S Pen upgrades, ranging from new air gestures to a smoother 9ms response time. Plus, the Note 20 Ultra packs one of the most versatile camera setups ever, including a 108MP main sensor, a whopping 50x space zoom and a dedicated laser autofocus sensor to reduce blur. The Note 20 Ultra is also a mini desktop PC and game console in disguise. With the improved DeX mode, you can beam photos, apps and more to a nearby TV, and with Xbox Game Pass you can stream more than 100 Xbox titles over the cloud. The Note 20 Ultra works well with your PC, too, as Link to Windows enables you to run Android apps on your laptop as well as get notifications, make calls and more. Add it all up and you have one of the best phones. Number 4, the iPhone 12 Pro at $999. The iPhone 12 Pro is the best phone you can buy because of everything Apple packs into its sleek new design. You get the most 5G bands in any phone along with the new A14 Bionic processor, which blows away all Android phones. But the real reason to pick up the iPhone 12 Pro is the cameras. The main sensor now lets in more light, and the night mode works on both the ultra-wide camera and the ultra-depth camera. You can take portraits at night, thanks to the combination of the telephoto lens and LiDAR sensor. Not only does the iPhone 12 Pro boast a gorgeous 6.1-inch OLED display, it's protected by ceramic shield, which is designed to deliver 4x the protection in case of a drop. The flat edges look pretty sleek, too, even if they did into your hands a bit. The optional MagSafe charger makes wireless charging a breeze, thanks to the magnets built into the iPhone 12 Pro. But Apple doesn't include any charger in the box. Although the iPhone 12 Pro's battery life could be better over 5G, it's the most complete phone for the money and the best camera phone yet. Number 3, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra at $1,199. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is a superior big screen phone, offering a dynamic 6.8-inch AMOLED display that scales from 10Hz to 120Hz for super smooth performance. But the killer feature is the dual telephoto cameras, with 3x and 10x optical zoom, and the ability to space zoom up to 100x with a new zoom lock feature. The overall camera quality is improved, too, with better looking portraits and brighter shots with night mode. The S21 Ultra also excels at capturing video with a new director's view mode that lets you record using the front and back cameras at the same time. Other highlights include snappy performance from the Snapdragon 888 chip and extra long battery life from the 5000 mAh battery, as the S21 Ultra lasted nearly 11.5 hours on our web surfing test. The Galaxy S21 Ultra doesn't include a charger in a box or a microSD card slot, but overall it's the best Android phone.
Number 2, the OnePlus 9 Pro at $1,069. The OnePlus 9 Pro features the best cameras ever included with a OnePlus phone, addressing one of the long-standing criticisms of the upstart phone makers' devices. With help from camera specialist Hasselblad, the OnePlus 9 features an excellent array of lenses that capture color accurately and produce photos that rival what you get from leading camera phones. As you can see in our OnePlus 9 Pro camera face-off. For that reason, we think the OnePlus 9 Pro is the best phone that Android users can get. There are other features beyond the cameras that tip the scales in the OnePlus 9 Pro's favor. You get a display with a dynamically adjusting refresh rate, scaling between 1 and 120 Hz depending on whether your activities benefit from a faster refreshing screen. That helps with battery life, as the OnePlus 9 Pro lasted more than 10.5 hours on our battery test, even with the faster refreshing display turned on. When you do need a charge, OnePlus Warp Charge 65T technology means your phone can be fully charged in a little more than 30 minutes. Wireless charging on the OnePlus 9 Pro is faster than some phones can charge with a wired connection. Throw in a Snapdragon 888 processor and lots of RAM, and you have one of the best performing Android phones around. Just be aware that the $969 base model currently isn't available, and you'd have to opt for a $1,069 OnePlus 9 Pro with more memory and storage to get your hands on the phone right now. Number 1, the iPhone 12 Pro Max at $1,099. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is one of the best phones you can buy and is that rare phone that is practically perfect, especially for those who prefer big screens. You get an immersive 6.7-inch OLED display, class-leading a 14 Bionic performance and 5G capability. But the iPhone 12 Pro Max really stands out with its long battery life, as it lasted nearly 11 hours on our web surfing test. It's the longest-lasting iPhone 12 model by far. Like the regular iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max packs 3 rear cameras, but it benefits from a larger main sensor that lets in more light. And you get a 2.5 telephoto zoom, compared to 2x for the regular Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also delivers amazingly colorful video recording in Dolby Vision, complete with sensor shift stabilization for steady footage. At $1,099, the iPhone 12 Pro Max isn't cheap, but overall it's the best phone we've ever tested. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to subscribe to TechRamx and give us a like.